Welcome. This presentation is going to be about how to expand binomials. Say if we had x plus y to the fifth power. Now you could either do x plus y times x plus y times x plus y times x plus y times x plus y, but that would take a lot of your time. So here's a better way to do this. Start off with x to the fifth power towards the left side, because this is to the fifth power. So, and since we're adding these, you get plus sign right here. Then what you do is just go one down, so x to the fourth, and leave some space over here. One down again, x to the third, x to the second, x to the first is just an x, and then x to the 0 is just 1. So now for the y's, you start from the right side and go backwards. You still go one down each time though. Y squared, y to the first is just y, and y to the 0 is just 1. So you notice how the first and the last coefficients are always 1. So now we just need to figure out the middle terms, middle coefficient. So let me just change the color real quick. So if you notice, there are 6 terms right here. Each term is separated by a plus or minus sign. So to figure out the coefficients, what you do is multiply the coefficient by the power and divide it by the term number of the previous term. Now I realize I might have confused some of you there, but just follow me on this. So since we don't need to figure out the coefficient for the first one, because it's always 1, so we move on to the second one. For the second one, you go to the first term, multiply the power by the coefficient, and divide it by the term number. So 1 times 5 is 5, and since this is the first term, it's 5. So the coefficient for the first one is 5. Now for the third one, you go over here, 5 times 4 is 20, divided by 2, since this is the second term, it's 10. So 10 times 3 is 30, divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20, divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5, divided by 5 is 1. And that's how you can check your answer. You should always end up with 1 on the last term. So now we should have x to the fifth power plus 5x to the fourth times y plus 10 x to the third plus x, oops, there should be a 10 right here, x to the second, x to the third, plus 5x times y to the fourth plus y to the fifth. And that's our answer.